What's happening, guys? I'm out here in Oklahoma and I just had to stop by our favorite Food Network star Ree Drummond's place called the Mercantile. I hear they have hootenannies and shindigs, and I've never had those, so I'm gonna have to order one. And I also bought her a special gift from the Spice King. Thank you. Tell her the Spice King came all the way from Miami to give her a gift. We love her. And I'm gonna try her food. Excellent.
Tea, lemonade, and we got flavors to go in them like blackberry, blueberry, raspberry, and strawberry.
Raspberry lemonade.
Yep.
Let's get one raspberry, one blueberry.
Okay, I can do that.
I wanted to live my best life, so I got both of their best lemonades, the strawberry lemonade and the blueberry. I'm gonna try the blueberry first. Also amazing. Can't go wrong. All right, my dear, I think I'm ready. I want to try the chicken sandwich.
The fried chicken sandwich?
The fried chicken sandwich. You know I love some fried chicken. And can you make my fries cowboy fries? And my friend Dennis over here is getting the Cobb salad, right? Yes. This is what we've been waiting on. That looks beautiful.
Fried chicken sandwich?
Wow, look how great that is. All that juice. Look how beautiful this chicken sandwich is. It's perfectly crispy on all sides. And then she gave me the special cowboy fries. Look at all that bacon and cheese and chives. And of course I had to get it with some honey mustard sauce. And then to balance out all of my grease, I got the blistered green beans. It's going down. Look how great. Yeah? Yes. Everything here is so fantastic. These blistered green beans are cooked in like a garlicky soy sauce with lots of black pepper and flavor. And finished off with butter. It's perfectly al dente. Mouth-watering. It makes you want to eat the whole dish. And these fries, oh my God. You can tell that these fries were double fried. They're crispy on the outside and like perfect mashed potatoes on the inside. And then they smother it in a homemade cheese sauce with bacon, chives, sour cream, and more bacon. Perfect. Look how crispy this fried chicken is. Perfectly seasoned, juicy. The bread has a nice bite to it. It's buttery. I highly recommend this place. Ree, you did good, girl. You did real good. I'm coming back.
Over there, she got her pizzeria.
Oh, she has a pizzeria too?
It's a wood fire oven.
Oh. So our waitress told us that we should get the snickerdoodle cookies, and here they are. I walked up 3 million flights of steps to get one. So I'm gonna take the snickerdoodle, please. Everything looks so great. Look at all of these desserts. All that chocolate almond croissant looks like heaven. Our waitress also told us about the prune cake, and she said there was some type of a glaze on top. So what is this glaze? And when I smell it, I smell all the notes of cinnamon and butter, and I can smell the tartness of the buttermilk. And I got one of these snickerdoodle cookies. Look at that. It's just so good, I can't resist. It's been a magnificent time here at Ree Drummond's restaurant, the Mercantile. The food was phenomenal. The music was great, the ambience, the customer service, everything was excellent. Highly recommend this place, you guys. Gotta come here and check it out.